Is this recording? Is this a recording? Okay. I guess it's recording. Alright. Let's see. Actually, no, I'm not going to caves. I'm going to check out somewhere else. Hey, we got someone with us. Right? I guess we're going to check out this place, this lab that was abandoned 50 years ago. So, this is actually kind of creepy. So, yeah, I guess we're checking it out. What is this? I'm gonna go upstairs, see what they have. Wait, what is that? What is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, what is that? I have to go. Oh my gosh. These people are scaring me. And looks like there's a monster.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I gotta go.
Alright. I'm just gonna run away. Actually, you know what? I'm going back. I'm gonna be brave. It's all just my imagination. I'm just scared.
Is the purple thing gone?
Because this is an abandoned place.
Oh.
Whoa! Oh crap. Holy.
There's a green one.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Wait. Is that?
We have to make the jump.
Someone?
We have to make the lethal jump.
Check out this place. If we don't see it. Thank God I can't get in this elevator.
There's two.
It's just real noisy and because of the monster that's here, it's actually very creepy. And now there's two. Oh, I gotta go. Oh, get juice. Oh my gosh.
Get juice.
Go.
What the frick are those things?
Go. Go. Oh my gosh.
What are those things?
Oh my gosh.
Those are so scary.
I'm gonna do it one more time. Alright, I think I'm ready. Almost. Hey, let's go. Why am I doing this? What's going on? What was that nightmare?
That was all just a dream. Alright.
That's pretty freaky for a nightmare. I'm gonna go check it out one more time just to make sure it's real. Wait. Why did I wake up here? Should I woke up at home?
That was a pretty freaking nightmare.
Okay, what the hell's going on?
Just stick with people, just in case. You know, it could be real. Could be not.
Alright, let's go. This is all a dream. Was all just a dream.
So, go up this house.
Shouldn't be this confident.
Stop there.
Was this real?
Okay. Just go.
Let's go. Come on. Oh, are we gonna go? What? Holy sh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I gotta run! I gotta run! I gotta run! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm done with this.
Subscribe for your next